Hi, Eric Buck, Associate Broker with Remax Excalibur in Tucson, Arizona. Welcoming you to episode 2 of Pool Design for Arizona Homes, aka the Buck's New Pool. To recap episode 1, my wife and I recently bought a property in Dove Mountain, and we like everything about it except for the pool. The pool was pretty blah, so we've decided to take out the existing pool and put in a brand new backyard oasis. In the last episode, we had Nick Fiello of Pools by Design come out and survey the property. He drew up a design for our new pool, and then we went down to his office to pick out colors and materials. We finished the episode waiting for our building permits and HOA approval. Well, those approvals have come in, and so we're ready to get started on the project. Let's go. In prep of our start, we had to do a little bit of work. First, we had to clear out some tree branches to make sure that the equipment could move around the backyard. Last night, Grant came out and put a pump in our pool to pump out the water. Here he is getting the last few drops out before they begin their demolition work. And we had to take out a wall so that the equipment could get into the backyard. Let's get on to the project. I'm as giddy as Chip Gaines. Why? It's demolition day, or at least day 1 of demolition. Let's get started. Safety glasses. Ooh, as Chief Brody said, I think we're gonna need a bigger boat, or in this case, a bigger hammer. Thankfully, we've got the big guns coming. The first step is to remove some of the bushes that are around the project. Then we go on to taking out the decking and steps to the pool. We had to move a couple of sago palms here to try to save them and replant them when we're finished. And now the actual demolition of the pool itself. Hold your ears. This is not an easy process. It takes quite some time to get through this. After a half a day's work doing this is where we are. Okay, it's the next morning and we've gotten most of the pool out. Now starting to shape the new pool. Interestingly enough, after digging all that stuff out, the first things they do is put dirt back in. This is to make sure that they have stable dirt around the walls that will eventually be poured here. After the dirt is dropped in the hole, you come in and tamp it down to make sure it's good and firm. Now we're starting to outline the shape of the new pool. And to finish the day and week, we have staked out the entire shape of the pool with the 1x4s. That's it for this week. Well, we're about to start week 2 of our pool project. I'm here with Grant McLean, with our contract or construction manager with Pools by Design. And Grant, what are we going to accomplish this week?
Well, this week we're going to finish laying out the pool this morning. We still have to compact the bottom of the spa back up to excavation depth. And then we'll We'll get the pool dug probably today or tomorrow. And then our plumbers will come in. They'll do some more trenching and get the equipment set, get the whole pool plumbed. That'll probably take about 2, maybe 3 days. All the gas lines will be running everything, so that's
Okay.
majority. That's everything this week. That'll fill it all.
Yeah, it sounds like we're going to get a lot done this week.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thanks a lot, Grant.
All right. You bet.
Now the true digging begins. Let's watch them work for a bit. See under the bucket where the seat will be built into the side of the pool at the deep end. And now you can see the pool is really taking shape. So at the end of today, this is what we ended up with. The pool completely dug and ready to go. Unfortunately, that was the only work done this week. The plumber was not able to make it, so we'll have to wait for that to happen next week. That concludes episode 2 of our construction project. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, and you'd like to continue to follow our progress, go to YouTube and search Own the Desert. There you'll see our series of videos on pools for Arizona homes. While you're there, write a comment, ask a question. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to see you at episode 3 as well.